Alright, so welcome to GEC 605, otherwise known as Purposive Communication. So, um, so this would be your asynchronous lecture, and consider this as an introductory uh, lesson for this subject. Um, so, purposive communication. How do you define what is what is purposive communication? Right? So if I ask you what is purposive communication, then maybe you need to define first what is communication, di ba? So what is communication? Basically, communication is the exchange of ideas, of feelings, of information between uh, two um, individuals. Okay, uh, you may have uh, a little different uh, definition of communication, but definitely it would involve an exchange of ideas, of information between A and B. Okay, so that's communication. Now, so what is what is purposive communication? Di ba? So in a very short way of saying it now, purposive communication is to communicate with a specific intention or goal in mind. Okay, so if you are communicating with a goal in mind, with an intention, then you're doing purposive communication. Now, uh, what's the importance of purposive communication in our lives? That's what I'm going to ask you later, siguro, in this lesson. So, what is the importance of purposive communication in your course, or in your chosen career, in your personal life, in your life in general? Okay, so that's uh, that's a question that I'll have to ask later. Okay, as I've said, this would be an introductory uh, lecture on what is purposive communication, and as a communicator, I think I'm amiss when I forgot to tell you my who I am. So I'm your teacher, I'm your professor for this subject. My name is Rolando Antonio Licodine. So I will be the one to teach GEC 605 for this semester for you. Okay, so you may have uh, heard of that simple model of communication from, if you have heard from this theorist, and his name was or is David Berlow, di ba? So unsa ang iyang model of communication? So it is the SMCR. Uh, SMCR. SMCR meaning you have the source, and then you have the message, and then the message runs through a channel. Okay, this channel would also be known as a medium, and then this medium would also, through that medium, the message would reach the recipient or the receiver. So that's the SMCR model of Berlo, and then it would later be enhanced to add feedback, which would loop around going back to the source. Okay, and we can have a lot of models of communication, but for now let's just use this simple model of communication. And why do we have to study this model? Because we have to study how it is to communicate and how it is to communicate with a purpose. Okay, so SMCR: source, message, channel, receiver, and later on you'll have feedback that would bring you back to the receiver, or the source, meaning, I'm sorry, not the receiver but the source. Okay, in a nutshell, guys, this course, uh, if you distill it into its very essence, no, then I would have to ask you to memorize these two principles, or two things about communication, or purposive communication, which is, for you to be an effective purposive communicator, um, there are two things that you have you have to have in mind, no, and master. And that is, number one is for you to uh, know your objective. What is your purpose? Purposive communication gani, di ba? So what is your purpose? Is it to sell? Is it to solicit something? Is it to inform? Um, Ultimately, you'd have to ask yourself, what is my purpose of doing this, or why am I communicating? Okay, so that's number one. What is the second one? It is for you to know your audience. Kinsa ang audience? Pag-abot sa SMCR, so that will be the receiver. No, who is your receiver? Um, Knowing your receiver would guide you. No, if you know your target audience, you will know how to communicate to them. Diba? You will know how to communicate to elderly people. You will know how to communicate to children. So if it's children, and then you will know how to communicate to executives, public officials, or your barkada, di ba? So those things you will have uh, to consider for you to be an effective communicator. Because you can't use the language of the young when you are talking to the old, or the informal way of communicating, if you are talking to somebody who is an official of the land, or your superior, di ba? If you're talking to your parents, you also have that a way of um, communicating. So that's the importance of knowing the target audience for your recipient. So if you look at it closely, it's still the SMCR model, di ba? So when you say you know your objective, or know your purpose, for communicating, then it it just says that you have to know your message. So SM, you are the source. You have to know your M, the message. No, you as a source, you have to know your objective, and through that knowing your objective, you have to know what kind of message are you going to transmit, or to send to your receiver, di ba? And what medium are you going to use? What channel are you going to use? Later on, I will tell you that the different channels or the different media that you use would affect your receiver would receive the the message that you're sending. And also you have to take note of your receiver. Kinsa na siya, di ba? Who is it? Then you have to consider his status, cultural background, di ba? Etc. etc. No. So maybe you have heard about encoding and decoding your message, di ba? So how do you encode so that the receiver will decode it in such a way that you want to, no? That you're sending out a circle, then the receiver should perceive or should read it as a circle, not a square, right? And that can only be achieved if you study how the receiver receives it, no, uh, taking into consideration uh, his or her culture, diba? His state of mind. Also, the message or the medium that you use will affect how it is going to be received by the receiver. So basically, that's it, no? If you think about it, this course would be all about those two principles, or those two things, no? Know your objective and know your audience. If you master these two, then you can write, you can speak, you can make a video, you can do whatever, no? And you will achieve your objective, or your goal or your purpose in communication. So that's it for the introductory class for today, and thank you for listening, and have a good day, guys.